Hello, welcome to Hexa Team Responsive Grid. Let me show you how to install this plugin on your WordPress and how to set up it on a page. Okay, first of all, come to plugins, add new, search for Hexa Grid or Hexa Team Grid. This is the grid where you want to show your team members on your website. Okay, as you can see, I am already using this plugin. So now come to the team section. If when you install and activate this plugin, you will have this menu: add team member, add new. Okay, here are some fields. uh, this is the name of the team member, and here is some short description. Okay, add photo, set as featured image, type his position, the Facebook link, and any other if have. Okay, let me add all as a sample, because the team grid will show at most 4 of the social media links, so you can add all of them, or you can leave empty if you don't want to add any. Publish. As we have less time in this video, so I already added up to 10 members in the team section, so that we can save the time in this video. Okay, uh, now as you can see that this team member has been published, and I have added 9 more, and here they are. As a sample, I made all of them with same name, but the images are different. Okay, now as we have all team members added here, come to the Hexa team menu. You can use a pro version or a free version. You can find both of them on our website, uh, www.worldclassthemes.com, where you can find both free and uh, pro version. The free version is linked with wordpress.org, and here is the link for the Hexa team grid. Okay, here is the free version, which is available on wordpress.org. You can download it from wordpress.org, or you can use this premium version for $16 from our website. Click here if you want to buy. because this one have some more extra menus. For example, let's come to the pro version menu. Here you can see that you can set margins, paddings for the title, and the colors of the title, the background color, and some other changes. And you can see live changes here while doing the changes. As you can see here, you can set the title padding, the bottom padding, and you can set the text color, the background color of the hover effect. This is the You can select the color and then select the opacity, that how much transparency do you want on the background. Okay, and with the free version, you can set number of members to be shown in the grid, and the title, font size, and the background color. Okay, let's go with the pro version. Here is a short tag for free version, and this is the short tag for pro version. Copy this short tag and add new page. I want to show 9 members, so when I use this short tag, I will see only 9 members. Okay, test page for this one, and type some text and paste the short tag and publish. Now let's view this page. You can use this short tag on your home page in any section where you want to show your team members in this matter, in this regard. Okay, come to this one. Now as you can see, you can see that this one have these social media icons while other ones don't, because we added in just one. And this is how it can be installed. And please ask any question if you have. Here is our contact link. This is the support link, the contact link. You can contact us on this link. Thank you.